What's good, guys? I'm RobbxAce and I'm back again with another video. This week we will be doing a little bit of album art, and I'm going to be showing you the process step by step. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, and if you love it, you know what to do. Tap that subscribe. First thing you're going to do is set up that canvas at 3000 by 3000. Reason why? It's accepted by DistroKid and Spotify, and it's recommended by DistroKid. This cover art is for a song called I Will Serve. So what I did was take a picture of a person in a position of prayer and slowly begin to trace out the outlines. Now after getting the outline ready, I started to add the details such as the shading and started looking at the colors by using the harmony tool to find the right color pattern for this particular painting. I began to add those finishing touches and those final alterations, and this is how it came out. Although I am satisfied how it came out, we gotta add the text so people know what they're listening to. Now I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I used Photoshop to get the text that I used, but if you don't want to pay for that, you can use Pixler. You can go to pixler.com, click the Pixler E option, upload your file, and it should look a little something like this. Now all you have to do is click the text button and add your style, your color, and the size of your text. And finally, the final product. DD's song I Will Serve is on all major platforms right now, so go check it out. If you like this video, go ahead, give it a thumbs up, and if you love it, go ahead and subscribe. As always, hope to see you again soon.